from Puerto Rico, of the waves crashing in. You know how far away Hurricane Epsilon is from Puerto Rico? It is amazing how these waves propagate away from the center of these storms and fill up the Atlantic basin. And so you don't have to be right along or really in the storm to have some sort of impact. The U.S. East Coast is going to have wave action and is going to have that chance for higher rip currents. So we're 1,000 miles away or so from the U.S. coast, mainland coast. We're 1,000 miles away or so from Puerto Rico. And you've seen that kind of waves. Right now, here's the 5 o'clock advisory on Hurricane Epsilon. Still a Cat 1, holding on to hurricane status east of Bermuda, moving north-northwest at 9. Sun's starting to set out here, but you can still see that we've got a symmetrical storm. Here's our center, and that center still has some hurricane force winds, especially on the northern edge of that eye wall. Starting to collapse a bit, not looking quite as organized, and it shouldn't compared to where it was. It was a major hurricane, but because there's still winds, that means that we're still going to be having that chance for that wave action moving away from the wind, getting pushed forward by that wind. So Bermuda's right on the edge still of the tropical storm force winds, will likely continue to be so right on through the evening, beginning of the night, and then this thing moves away. It's moving north, and then north-northeast, and then northeast and away. Okay, so not affecting land directly, not affecting Canada directly, but all that wave action is headed towards the East Coast, just like what we showed you with that video in Puerto Rico. Interestingly, we still have to watch the Western Caribbean. This is an area that we've been watching for about a week now, saying, okay, there might be a chance. Just give it some time. Give it a little bit more time. It still needs a little bit more time. I think it'll eventually spin up a tropical system. Current modeling is suggesting that there could be a spin coming from this area, really forming closer to Cuba and then into the Bahamas in the next 5 days. Other models are saying it'll wait even a little bit longer and could be slightly farther north before that turn happens. That would put the Gulf and Florida more at play. But no matter what here, that tropical moisture is going to move north. It's been so soggy in Florida, and I think by early next week there'll be another little pocket in southeast Florida because of the tropics, because of whatever is trying to develop heading in that direction.